What is up, YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to today's episode. In today's vlog, we are going to unbox a kick-ass pair of new lifestyle Vans sneakers. And then we are going to do Q&A, a special Q&A together with the Wifey. We will be answering the questions, what is love? Am I going to run for political office? Wow, talaga. We're going to talk about the very best memories we had in college over at Ateneo and so much more. So if you're excited to find out the answers to those questions and to see what this absolutely kick-ass Vans pair of kicks is, keep on watching. Let's go. Before we get started, guys, we are having a massive giveaway. The details of the giveaway, link down below. Make sure to click it. It's pinned in the comments as well as the description box. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you think of the episode for today. Vans, they are ridiculously bang for your buck, crazy good, everyday beater type of sneakers. Now, this particular pair is their new one, which is the EVDNT Ultimate Waffle, it's spelled EVDNT. I'm just spelling it as evident, but apparently this one uses a really dope translucent midsole. It has a shank to help with the overall stability, and it is supposedly super comfortable. Let's take a look. If you pop the box open, ba-bam! So the one we have over here is the black colorway, and as you guys can see, it has your classic Vans styling, but with a much more sleeker and modern material build. The upper has different overlays of leather. It has mesh to give it more breathability, flexibility, and overall comfort. If you take a look at the midsole, it's now translucent, so you can actually see through it. And at the outsole, you have that really nice Vans Ultimate Waffle that helps you with grip and overall comfort. If you take a look at the midsole, you have that shank that I mentioned earlier. That's the black part that you see over here, which improves overall stability and support. In terms of the insole, you have the Ultimate Waffle insole of Vans, which all you have to do is to press it and you can already tell how comfy it is. In terms of overall look, this black pair just looks super nice. It has that classic Vans vibe, but in a more modern and edgier take. Now, how is it on feet? Well, I can definitely say that it is more comfortable than your typical Vans sneakers, and that's something that I love, being a guy who's always looking for comfort when it comes to shoes. I love the contrast of colors from the white on the black to the pop of red with the stitching that you can see at the back of the heel with the Vans plate as well. Now, if you want something a little bit more cleaner, there is a white colorway of this same shoe. Bam! Here we have it, and this one is my favorite. And I've been wearing this actually in the last few days, and I have been absolutely loving it. In fact, if I can find like a size 13 one, I would totally copy it. This is size 12. This is the biggest one that they had when I first saw it. But I would love to have it in size 13, so a little bit more roomier, so I can beat it up even more. So anyway, the white one, as you guys can see, so much cleaner, works really well with the translucent midsole. I love the grayish Vans stripe that you see on either side of the shoe, that icy blue Vans logo at the tongue tab, and the way the contrast of colors looks here at the back of the heel. I really am loving this shoe. And I've been wearing it, like what I mentioned earlier, and I think I'll keep on wearing it for a long time. Now, if you guys want your own pair, make sure to check out Vans over at Instagram, check out Vans over at Facebook. And this shoe, if you're a Vans fan, and you're looking for a Vans pair for lifestyle and comfort, one of the very best, EVDNT Ultra Waffle. With that out of the way, let's hop on the car, let's go on the drive with the lovely wife. And after all of that, after the Q&A, I'll see you guys back here. Mag-unbox tayo ng, alam nyo na yun, NBA cards. Our sneakers of the day, we have the Vans EVDNT Ultra Waffles. Okay guys, so kasama natin si Mrs. Babe, kaway ka naman dyan. You know, and kasama siya in our Q&A for today. Okay, so first question from Bam Lim. From your time in Ateneo, name one good memory, one bad memory, and one thing you really miss.
Good memory, syempre meeting Carlo. Seatmates kami, so it was a fun first meeting. Kinokopya niya notes ko.
Oo, syempre.
Bad, wala talaga akong bad. It was thinking about it kanina pa. So, nothing bad enough na may isip ko ulit. And one thing I really miss, yung... Well, pwede dalawa, since di ko naman sinagot yung isa. I miss yung library. It's my favorite thing to do in college. Yung tumatambay with a lot of books and reading my favorite books sa malamig na lugar. So, favorite place ko talaga yun. And yung second is, yung inaantay si Carlo na sunduin ako sa shed. Gusto ko yun. Naaliw ako doon. Gusto ko yung sinusundo ako.
Oo nga.
So, yun.
So ako, good memory, obviously it's meeting Mitch, diba? Bad memory, wala naman sobrang malakas na singular, pero siguro lahat ng mga times na nasa-stress ako because I was cramming or I didn't study and I felt nakakayanin ko pa rin. Or yung mga oral exam. So parang we took up, di ba French tayo pareho?
French.
And I butchered it, yung conversation part, pero di ko talaga alam paano ako pumasa dun. Tapos yung one thing I miss, isn't that same, yung nasa classroom kami dalawa.
May isa pa akong good memory. Kaya rin ako nag-Ateneo kasi both my brothers were there. So, yung first time na tatlo kaming sinundo from school, yan, that was a very memorable time for me.
Okay, so yung next question ako muna sasagot. Pero gusto ko rin makita reaction ni Mitch. So, from John De La Cruz, do you have any plans of running for a public official post? Ano, babe? Senator Carlo Ople na ba to?
Ay. Tagal na yan.
So, sagot dyan, for now, no.
No.
Tapos ito, si Mitch muna sasagot from Jacob Betingo. What is love for you? What is love?
Love.
Yeah, anong sagot ko? Hindi, ikaw, babe. What is love for you?
Siguro ang lalim kasi nun. So, I guess one aspect na lang na important about love sa akin is the part na it's a choice. Every day it's a choice. Kasi, pwede natin sabihin feeling siya, emotion siya. And yes, meron namang ganon. Pero, what makes it constant for me and what defines unconditional love for me is that yung everyday, you choose each other and every day you find reasons to choose that person every day. So hindi lang naman yun as husband and wife, but even with other people that you love, na the things na finding good things about them to choose to stay with them as friends or to stay with them as to have that good relationship with them. Yun yung one of the most important components sa akin ng love, na hindi siya based on just how you're feeling that day. It's a conscious decision to choose that person.
From Mark Zenos Zabaot, are you a contributor to the NAS Academy? What's your take on the current issue? Ginawa ko na to ng video, panoodin nyo na lang, I'll link it down below. Okay, so marami pa tayong mga Q&A, pero ako na lang sasagot ng later sa studio. Pero babe, plug mo naman yung bago mong episode.
Ayun.
Na nandun ako.
Guest starring Carlo and of course ang idol din nating si Marvin Guermo. Pag-uusapan natin yung mga panibagong paraan na pwedeng kumita ng pera, newer and more fun ways to earn money while staying at home. And yung biggest question na sasagutin nila, Axie Infinity lang ba ang pwedeng pagkakitaan ngayon na fun?
Okay, so guys, link to the latest episode of Kaasenso with Gerard and Mitch featuring Carlo and Marvin down below. Subscribe kayo sa kanya, no?
Yes, tune in, subscribe, like, share.
Okay ba yung mga sagot sa mga tanong? And yes, wala po akong planong tumakbong politika anytime soon or anytime in the foreseeable future. So with that out of the way, let's get to NBA cards unboxing. So I actually am going to unbox 3 sets. The first 2 sets are cards that I bought myself. So they're not from box breaks. I hunted for them and I found them and I considered them to be good buys. And the third is a series of cards that I got from box breaks from our good friends over at HXM Box Breaks. Okay, let's get started, guys. So this one is from JP. So JP, brother, thank you for the great deal on this one. The card at the very back is the main card that I bought, but tingnan nyo na rin. So he gave me a couple of freebies. Golden State, we have James Wiseman. The rookie, we have Steph Curry, dressed to impress. Parang tingnan nyo yung mukha niya dyan, no? Parang galit siya na hindi mo maintindihan. We also have another Steph Curry from Court Kings. And ito na yun, guys. This is the main card that I bought and one of the cards that I've been looking for a long time now. And I bought it because, it was a great price and it's just something that I really wanted to add to my collection. Ba-bam! This is the Steph Curry blank slate. Woo! And apparently he got it from a break with the Break Brothers, which is a box breaking group. So yeah, no, Jonathan Landingin. So brother, maraming salamat for the great deal on this one. Super like it. Itatabi ko to kay Trae Young collection ko. Magkatabi sila. Trae Young and then Steph Curry. Ngayon, I just need a Trae Young blank slate. Ano ba yan? Pinahirapan ko pa sarili ko. So that's the first. The next is a side PC of mine. I got this from Kenneth Wanico, if I'm not mistaken, which is a bunch of Onyeka Okongwu cards. So, alam ko, some people are asking why I'm collecting Onyeka. But what happened there sa kakabili ko ng Atlanta, because I am collecting Trae Young, dumami na yung Onyeka ko, so might as well get it, diba? So we have Onyeka in silver, Onyeka Okongwu silver prism. We have it in this green prism color. We have it in this purple cracked ice and the orange cracked ice. Now, at the very back of this card is another card that I bought, which I will not show. I will show it in another episode kasi sobrang happy ako na nakuha ko na siya finally. So, itabi muna natin siya. Or maybe later, papakita ko. I'm not sure. So, anyway, so punta na tayo. Speaking of Onyeka, so these are a couple of cards that I got from HXM Box Breaks. So the main hit is actually here, which is from Atlanta. The other packs aren't really that good, so baka hindi ko na masyadong puntahan. I don't want to waste your time. But this is the biggest hit. So speaking of Onyeka Okongwu, I don't know what this card exactly is called, but it looks ridiculously kick-ass. I mean, seriously. You have that streaks of lightning, and then the spark, and then woo, sobrang angas lang. Yun nga lang, the patch is color white, so baka sabihin nila, ano ba yan, brief ni Onyeka. But anyway, so you have another Onyeka Okongwu card and a Trae Young and a John Collins card. So the others, while they're nice, they're not really super, talagang ikakatuwa ko na ikakatalong ko. So I won't go over them too much na. Well, this one. So again, we'll go this one. So I'm starting a side PC or side personal collection of Devin Vassell. So I might do a video on my Devin Vassell collection soon. But as you can see, that's the reason why I've been going for Spurs in recent, recent breaks. So we have two Vassell rookie cards. And we have nasingit na Pacers, Miles Turner tsaka Sabonis. But yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys today. Actually, papakita ko na nga kung ano isang card. Kasi gusto ko na rin siya i-post sa social media. So this one is from Mick. Mick, salamat for the deal. So again guys, Onyeka, kaboom! O, diba? We have the Trae Young Kaboom. So I am looking to complete the Trae Young Kaboom cards. I think this is the third one. Tama ba ako? The third, 2020 to 2021. There is a 2019 to 2020. And of course, the rookie Kaboom, which I plan on all getting. So Mick, maraming salamat for this amazing card. Looks really awesome. Would look super nice on my current card collection, wall. So yun ang cards na gusto ko pakita sa inyo guys. Shout out again to HXM Box Breaks, to Mick, to Kenneth, and to JP for all. Ay nako, sobrang panalo talaga. So that's actually it for our episode for today. I hope you guys are all doing fine. Stay blessed, stay awesome, stay humble. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom. Ito, from Jake Feliciano. I have a small business and need advice. Is it worth investing in vloggers for product exposure? Si Mrs. PR, siya sasagot.
I think important muna to understand kung ano yung role ng vloggers. So sila yung word of mouth mo kasi yun naman talaga yung PR na yung create conversations around something. So second, yung channel nila. So if you're going to invest in a vlogger, just make sure na yun yung audience na tina-target mo. Nakilala mo yung vlogger, hindi lang kasi marami siyang followers. Kasi minsan, marami siyang followers pero hindi naman kayo swak, 'di ba? Mag-i-invest kayo in a vlogger, it has to be someone na would talk about your product and has that scale. Otherwise, kung wala ka pang budget for that, to invest in one of the higher following ones, you can always start with, again, kasi word of mouth siya, start with yung sarili mong network who can talk about your product credibly and really believe in it, and then start from there, diba? Once you have more budget, then pwede ka nang mag-tap para talagang mag-scale. Kasi one thing about tapping media or vloggers na hindi naiisip ng mga small businessmen is pag dumating ang mga order. Yan, kasi napanood nila sa vlog ni Carlo. Ganon. Kaya mo bang ibigay yung order nila? O mauubusan ka ng supply? So before you expand that base, make sure muna na kaya mo to supply a lot of that. And yun na talaga yung hanap mo. Na marami ka ng supply, gusto mo na ilabas lahat yon, then you tap someone with a lot of following. Pero kung hindi, and you just want a testimonial, start with your own network.